Greetings, I'm Dr. Yamashiro. I'd like to welcome you to Images of America and say Happy New Year personally. I've already had a few good questions from the class this morning. One student asked, really, what is the difference between a symbol and a metaphor because there's overlap? And my answer to that is symbols are something that are widely recognizable, say like the flag of a country. And a metaphor is something that could be a little more subtle. It could be perhaps an image that seems to mean one thing, but may also have another reference. You could think of Walker Evans and a photograph that he made of a close-up of peeling paint on a wooden surface. And sure, that is what it is. It's peeling paint on a wooden surface. But it might also have a metaphorical reference to, the passing of time, how ephemeral our natural world is, or short our lives are. So that would be more of a metaphor. Another student asked a question about the external link to the plagiarism tutorial through Southern Mississippi. Sometimes students are able to take the post-test on that site, in which case you would download it to your computer and then upload it to Canvas. I've also recreated it on Canvas in case it's closed or you're not able to do it for some reason or another. So I wish you the very best from Indiana, and I look forward to talking with you and meeting you soon.